Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go back to the basic and paint bamboo. Let's get started. I'm going to start with a large brush. This brush is made of goat hair, which is softer and can contain more water in the brush. Take some ink, use upright stroke. You have to be bold and use firm stroke to paint so that it looks strong and sturdy. Bamboo symbolizes strength, resilience, and simplicity. To create a variety, I'm painting the third bamboo using a smaller brush. For the notes, take some ink to paint the two strokes on the side. If the gaps between two sections are too large, add another finer strokes in the middle. To try to fill the gap, but you still have to show some white space. For the leaves, don't add too much water when you prepare to dip the ink. Simply take more ink to paint them. Try to keep the tip of each leaf pointy. Now I'm adding a house sparrow, which is mainly brown color with some black spots. I use orange color to mix with ink to get the brown shades for the head and body. Then the rest is just ink. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video and find this useful. Please subscribe and press the bell notification button if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video.